Welcome to this episode by Venture Blazers. Thanks for tuning in. We're glad you're here. If you're ready to start a profitable side hustle but aren't sure where to begin, this episode is for you. Today, we break down multiple side hustle ideas ranked by effort level, complete with startup costs, growth strategies, and marketing tips. Whether you're looking to freelance, dive into affiliate marketing, or build a dropshipping store, this guide will help you take your first and next steps confidently. The topics covered in this episode. Number 1, low-effort side hustles you can start today. Number 2, medium-effort businesses with huge growth potential. Number 3, high-effort side hustles for serious income builders. Number 4, step-by-step guides to launching each one. Number 5, marketing tips to get your first sales. Number 6, budget breakdowns to start and maintain your hustle. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a new tutorial or side hustle strategy. Your journey to financial freedom starts here. Let's start with low-effort side hustles. First up, freelancing, writing, graphic design, virtual assistants. If you've got a skill like writing, design, or admin work, freelancing could be a fast win for you. First, pick something you're good at. Then, create a profile on a freelance site. Show off your best work, even if it's just a few examples. To grow, ask early clients for reviews, upsell extra services, and slowly build your client list. Marketing yourself? Share your work on social media, network in LinkedIn groups, and apply for gigs on job boards. Startup costs? Almost zero if you've already got a laptop. Maintenance? Maybe a little if you set up your own website later. Next, print-on-demand products. Do you love creating designs? Print-on-demand is a super low-risk way to sell products like t-shirts or mugs. Here's the plan. Pick a niche you love. Design some cool stuff using free tools, and partner with a POD platform. Do you want to grow? Of course you do. Stay fresh with seasonal designs or limited editions. For marketing, Instagram and Pinterest are your best friends. You could also partner with micro-influencers. Startup costs are low, maybe around $50 for your first designs. Ongoing costs? Just add spend if you decide to run paid promotions. Now, let's look at medium-effort side hustles. First up, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is awesome if you like sharing tips and tools you love. First, pick a niche that excites you. Sign up for affiliate programs, then create a simple website or landing page. To grow, build an email list and keep creating helpful content like blog posts, videos, or even short podcasts. When it comes to marketing, SEO blog posts and YouTube tutorials work really well. Email newsletters can help too. Expect to spend about $100 to $200 to get everything set up. Maintenance, hosting, and maybe email service fees. Next, dropshipping store. Interested in e-commerce but don't want to store products? Dropshipping could be your move. Pick a trending product. Build an online store. Connect with suppliers who ship directly to your customers. Growing your store means running smart ad campaigns and expanding your product line over time. For marketing, Facebook and Instagram ads are huge. Partnering with influencers can also give you a major boost. Startup costs are a little higher here. Plan for $300 to $500. Maintenance? Expect to keep spending on ads and fulfillment tools. Moving on to high-effort side hustles. First up, coaching or consulting services. Got experience in something others want to learn? Coaching or consulting might be perfect. Start by picking a niche where you're confident. Set up a simple booking system and offer a few free sessions to get testimonials. To grow, focus on building your brand. Host webinars, create content, and share your insights online. Marketing works great through LinkedIn articles, live video trainings, and being a guest on other podcasts. Startup costs? Maybe $200 to $500 for a decent website and branding. Ongoing? You might need to pay for scheduling tools or CRM systems. Finally, building a niche website or blog. If you love writing and helping people, a blog could be your perfect side hustle. Pick a topic you're passionate about. Set up a simple website. Publish helpful articles consistently. To grow, you'll need to stay consistent and find ways to monetize, like through ads, affiliate links, or selling your own products. SEO is your best friend for marketing. Pinterest and email newsletters are great too. Startup costs are pretty reasonable, around $100 to $200 for hosting and a domain. Maintenance? Mostly just hosting renewals and adding new content over time. There you have it. 6 amazing side hustles you can start today, no matter where you're starting from. Building a side hustle is a journey. It's about planting the seeds today so you can enjoy the rewards tomorrow. A little bit of action every day adds up to big wins over time. If you want to grab some helpful tools and resources, Don't forget to check out the description below. I've provided a few great options to help you kickstart your journey. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel at Venture Blazers. Until next time, keep building and stay inspired.